Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So here we stand in a situation where actually the reaction, some downside action has to happen. We are waiting for it, but on intraday charts we do not see any strong enough bearish signs that could let us to consider scalp short position. And this is the periods on the markets, and usually it happens on the markets that are driven by the external driving factors that has no relation to the technical factors. And particularly in gold market is a great example for that. Obviously, some big fans or investors who are putting money right now in the gold, hardly they're watching for some daily intraday patterns, considering taking the position, especially if this is the central banks. It might be even the situation that the price actually is not some decisive meaning compared to the other factors, the geopolitical risk factors for the economy, such as the China, for example, where they make the decision despite that gold market maybe stands on some technical targets. And this making impact on the price performance as well. So on the daily chart, as we said, market has reached very important targets. We're waiting for a pullback here, and actually we see that some reaction is starting, but it is too shallow to speak about some foregoing consequences, making some conclusions. In fact, current session you can see the inside session to the previous one, and we can't say something definite. Yes, the pullback starts, but what the direction it will have, actually what the target will be, currently is difficult to say. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the one thing that we could mention is harmonic swings. So you can see that since the rally has started, which we were trading to the upside for a few weeks, market every time was showing the same retracement, and now this retracement is over. So you can see it's approximately the same harmonic swing has happened. Price right now stands on the confluence support 28.75, 28.77. So those of you who are watching for taking long position, possible upper continuation, I will have to say a couple things on this. First of all, you will have to place really tight stop, because if some breakout will happen, we could get more extended downside action very soon. So probably makes no sense to place stop somewhere lower than the confluence. Second moment, since market is overextended and stands at the overbought in all time frames, your target will be right around the top. So this is a common thing when you're taking position in an overbought market, you're out on the previous top. This is usually approach to the trading if you see that market is overextended. For the bears, it's very difficult to find some reason for position taking, because yes, we talked about the possible Napoli patterns on the daily chart, but we do not have it yet. On an hourly chart, you could see that market mostly is going with the actually kind of the step action. We're just retesting the previous top and creating a new one. So one step back, 2 steps forward. And that's going on right here. So potentially, as we talked about, yes, it might be the hand shoulders, but in this case, market has to show 2-step downside, which we also don't have it. So it means that the current circumstances, despite that very strong resistance, we have a lack of the bearish signs yet. So we don't have yet the necessary background, the context to consider seriously some position taking. Maybe today's CPI, if it will be higher, will give us chance to get some bearish setup, at least on the hourly chart, with a bit more extended retracement. But for now, personally, I think that it's a bit early to consider any bearish positions on the gold. So we need to be patient and wait a bit more. that's towards what we have. And let's see what will happen on the inflation data release.